5 most profitable blog niches for 2023. Are you tired of your day job and looking for a way to turn your passion into profit? Starting a blog might just be the answer you've been searching for. But with so many niches to choose from, it can be difficult to know where to start. Fear not, as we've compiled the list of the most profitable blog niches for 2023 to help you get started. From sharing your favorite healthy recipes to documenting your travels around the world, there's a niche out there for everyone. So grab a cup of coffee and get ready to be inspired as we explore the exciting world of blogging. First things first, let's talk about the money, friends. Because let's face it, we all want to make some serious dough from our blogs. And the good news is, there are plenty of niches out there that can bring in the big bucks. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, there's something for everyone. Number 1. Health and wellness. Let's start with a classic, health and wellness. People are always looking for ways to improve their physical health and mental health, and they're willing to spend money on it too. Whether it's yoga, nutrition, mental health, or fitness, there's no shortage of topics to explore. Plus, you can partner with brands to promote their products like supplements or workout gear and make some serious cash. This niche is all about promoting healthy living, both physically and mentally. From yoga and meditation to nutrition and fitness, there are endless opportunities to share your knowledge and expertise. For example, you could write about the benefits of a plant-based diet, share your favorite workout routines, or offer tips for reducing stress and anxiety. As you build your following, you could partner with brands to promote their products and earn a commission. Just imagine getting paid to promote your favorite protein powder or yoga mat. The key to success in this niche is to be authentic, knowledgeable, and passionate about helping others live their healthiest lives. According to a report by the Global Wellness Institute, the global wellness economy is worth over $4.5 trillion, with the wellness tourism sector alone worth over $639 billion. So if you're passionate about helping others live their healthiest lives, there's no better time to start a health and wellness blog. Number 2. Food and cooking blogs. Next up, food and cooking blogs. Let's be real, we all love to eat. And with the rise of social media, food blogs have become more popular than ever. From vegan recipes to barbecue tutorials, there's no limit to what you can share. And with partnerships with brands like kitchen appliances and food delivery services, you can make some major moolah. Who doesn't love food? Whether you're a home cook or a professional chef, there's a niche for you in the world of food blogging. You can share your favorite recipes, offer cooking tips and tricks, and even write reviews of restaurants and food products. And as you build your following, you can monetize your blog with ads, sponsored posts, and affiliate marketing. Plus, you can create your own products like cookbooks or cooking classes to further monetize your blog. The key to success in this niche is to be creative, share high-quality photos of your food, and be passionate about all things culinary. According to a report by Allied Market Research, the global food blogging market is expected to reach $20.4 billion by 2027. So if you love to cook and share your culinary creations with others, a food blog may be the perfect way to turn your passion into profit. Number 3. Travel blogs. Now let's talk about everyone's favorite pastime, traveling. Whether you're a digital nomad or just love to explore new places, travel blogs are always in demand. From budget-friendly trips to luxury vacations, there's a niche for everyone. And with sponsorships from hotels, airlines, and tourism boards, you can turn your passion for travel into a profitable career. If you have a passion for exploring new places and cultures, then travel blogging may be the perfect niche for you. From budget-friendly backpacking trips to luxury vacations, there are endless opportunities to share your adventures with the world. You can write about your favorite destinations, offer travel tips and advice, and even share your budget breakdowns to help others plan their own trips. As you build your following, you can monetize your blog with sponsorships from hotels, airlines, and tourism boards. You may even get the opportunity to travel for free. The key to success in this niche is to be authentic, share your unique experiences, and be passionate about exploring the world. According to a report by the World Travel and Tourism Council, the global travel and tourism industry is worth over $8 trillion, with the travel blogging market growing at a steady pace. So if you love to explore new places and share your experiences with others, a travel blog may be the perfect way to turn your passion into profit. Number 4. Beauty and fashion blogs. The next one is beauty and fashion blogs. Let's face it, we all want to look our best. And with the rise of beauty influencers on social media, there's never been a better time to start a beauty or fashion blog. From makeup tutorials to style guides, you can share your knowledge and make some serious cash. And with partnerships with beauty brands, you can get free products and even make money promoting them to your followers. Beauty and fashion blogging is all about sharing your tips, tricks, and favorite products with your followers. You can write about makeup tutorials, fashion trends, skincare routines, and more. And as you build your following, you can partner with beauty and fashion brands to promote their products and earn a commission. You may even get the opportunity to attend fashion events and try out new products before they hit the market. The key to success in this niche is to be creative, share high-quality photos of your outfits and makeup looks, and be passionate about all things beauty and fashion. According to a report by Influencer Marketing Hub, the global beauty influencer market is expected to reach $15 billion by 2022. So if you love all things beauty and fashion, a blog may be the perfect way to turn your passion into a profit. Number 5. Personal finance blogs. Last but not least, personal finance blogs. Managing money can be a daunting task, but a personal finance blog is the perfect way to help others navigate the world of finance. Whether you're offering tips on how to save money or sharing your investment strategies, there's something inherently satisfying about helping others achieve financial freedom. And with the rise of the finance industry, this niche has become incredibly profitable. Money makes the world go round, and personal finance blogging is all about helping people manage their money more effectively. From budgeting and saving to investing and retirement planning, there are endless opportunities to share your financial expertise. You can write about the best ways to save money on groceries, offer tips for paying off debt, and even share your favorite investment strategies. And as you build your following, you can monetize your blog with affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, and even your own financial products like ebooks or courses. The key to success in this niche is to be knowledgeable, offer practical advice, and be passionate about helping others achieve financial freedom. According to a report by researchandmarkets.com, the global personal finance market is expected to reach $1.4 trillion by 2023. So if you have a knack for finance and a desire to help others, a personal finance blog may be the perfect way to turn your passion into a profit. So there you have it, folks, the most profitable blog niches out there. Whether you're a health nut, a foodie, a world traveler, or a fashionista, there's a niche for you. And with some hard work, dedication, and a little bit of luck, you can turn your blog into a six-figure business. Blogging is not only a fun and creative outlet, but it can also be a profitable one. By choosing a niche that aligns with your passions and expertise, you can create a platform to share your knowledge and connect with others. Whether you're looking to make a full-time income or just a little extra cash on the side, starting a blog in one of these profitable niches can help you achieve your goals. So what are you waiting for? Let's start blogging.